Dr. Shinwari, I keep hearing about Islamic banking, but I'm not really sure how it works. Could you explain it to me?
Absolutely. Islamic banking is a way of managing finances that's based on Islamic principles, also known as Sharia law. The main thing that sets it apart is its strict avoidance of interest, which in Islamic terminology is called riba. Charging or paying interest is considered unjust in Islamic ethics, so Islamic banks use other forms of transactions to do business.
Interesting. So if interest isn't allowed, how do these banks actually make money or provide loans?
That's a great question. Instead of charging interest on loans, Islamic banks use contracts that involve sharing both the risks and the profits. For example, if you want to buy an apartment, a conventional bank would lend you money and charge interest on the amount. An Islamic bank would buy the apartment on your behalf, and then you'd purchase it from the bank in installments at a pre-agreed higher price. The extra amount isn't interest, but a profit margin, and both parties are fully aware of the terms from the start.
And what about saving my money? Does that work differently too?
Yes, it does. Rather than offering fixed interest rates for savings accounts, Islamic banks use profit-sharing accounts. When you deposit money, the bank invests it in ways that comply with Islamic rules. This means no involvement with industries like alcohol, gambling, or arms. If the bank's investments do well, you receive a share of the profit. If there's a loss, that loss is also proportionally shared. In this system, both the risk and the reward are distributed fairly.
So Islamic banking focuses on trading, profit sharing, and ethical investments?
That's exactly right. The entire system is built to promote transparency, fairness, and social responsibility. Financial products are designed to serve real economic activity, not just to make money from money. The banks are careful to avoid transactions or investments considered harmful or unethical under Islamic law.
It sounds like it's as much about values as about money.
Yes, ethics are right at the core of Islamic banking. The idea is to ensure every financial transaction benefits society and aligns with moral standards.
Thanks for explaining, Dr. Shinwari. I really appreciate the clarity.
You're very welcome. If you have more questions, just ask.